Alright, we have a new AI model called Step1X-3D, and apparently this is the most accurate, the highest performance open source AI for converting a picture into a 3D object. And of course, this model is completely open source, which means you can download the weight and then you can run it locally on your computer. Although I don't think everybody can do it because this model requires somewhat powerful computer. You need at least 32 gigabytes of RAM and also 50 gigabytes of storage, and not to mention RTX 4090. So it's quite scary to get that kind of computer. But don't worry, because you can still use this model on the web without having to use the most powerful computer. And I'm going to show you where you can use that. But let me show you a few examples that were created using Step1X-3D. So this is the picture of a tree, and this is the 3D version of that tree created using Step1X-3D. And these are other models that are similar to Step1X-3D, but I would say the result is much better on Step1X-3D. And also there's this character, and if you look at the color, I would say this is the most accurate. And there's also this problem, there's this clipping problem, and that problem doesn't exist on Step1X-3D. So again, it's pretty good. And lastly, there's this picture of a chair, and if you look closely at the color and also the reflection of the chair, it is much closer to the original picture compared to when you compare it to other AI models. Now, if you want to use this model on the web, you can navigate to this page, huggingface.co/spaces/step1AI Step1X-3D. Okay, that's quite mouthful, but don't worry, I'm going to leave the link in the video description. But basically, you can just provide a picture and then click the start button to start generating the 3D version of that picture. So in this example, I created this 3D object from this sunflower picture. It is not very accurate, but keep in mind that this picture is quite complicated. And I think this model still is only good at somewhat simple object, and sunflower is not exactly simple, but still outside the result is pretty amazing. Now I wish I could show you how you can use it, but I cannot because I'm running out of credits on my Hugging Face account. But basically you can go to this page, create a free account on Hugging Face, and then you can use this tool a few times, and I think you are getting 5 minutes of GPU power, which means you can create maybe 1 or 2 pictures or 3D objects using Step1X-3D. Just upload the picture right here, and then you can click start to let the model to run and convert the picture into a 3D object. So that's basically it. That's everything you need to know about Step1X-3D and where you can use it. And by the way, I'm going to leave the link for the demo and also the project page and also the model from GitHub. So if you want to see more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.